I got this boat with a trailer, all hooked up, $400. That was amazing guy. So, had all the paperwork, title, everything for the trailer and for $400. So I'm looking forward to getting this thing set up, and we'll see what happens. But let's continue with this when I get home. Well, there she is. It's it's a pretty good looking boat, barge. The guy that sold it to me was really nice. He was very knowledgeable. He's like an insurance adjuster, and I worked with him in a different realm. See, a couple of things need to be taken care of. I mean, the lights right here, and but I do have a plug for that. A little dusty, but wow, look at that, man. I got myself a boat that I've been wanting for a while. Not as much work as the other one was. I am going to wrap it. He said no leaks, but I'm going to take care of that regardless. I mean, he has some areas here that could be probably taken care of. There you go. So I vacuumed it out, everything except for a couple of things. I mean, there's some debris, not too much, but it's nice and clean. I'm gonna see about car wrapping it this weekend. What else are we gonna do with it? Good ideas. A lot of rust. Check that out. Get the paperwork taken care of this weekend. Gotta find a motor. Nothing too big. Nothing too big. So looks good, and stay tuned for the next episode of This Time We're Keeping the Boat.